All right, you all. It's raining hard out, so no body work going on in my little garage today. So I'm piddling with the windshield wipers. Now, originally this car came with 1940 vacuum wipers, and that's just what they had back then. Everything worked like that, and I was trying to upgrade to more modern stuff. So, like on the dash, there's the, put a wiper switch in. But in doing that, I ordered like the universal wiper blade or wiper motor kit. I'm sorry. That comes. You could get these. I got this on eBay. It came with actually 2 motors, and the wipers and everything. But what I didn't realize is the way these are set up. Let's see if I can switch this here. That switch. I guess it won't. I'll have to do something here. So the original vacuum wipers worked. You can see this. They were like opposite of each other, whereas most modern stuff is like goes that way. Well, when I got the motors, and I did take one apart and reverse it. It's up underneath here, and I could make them go like this, but it's a weird setup inside there. There's like a little gear reduction thing and a cam in there, and then a switch and a resistor that when it hits that, it slows it down to stop. Well, I never could make it stop at the same time. In other words, instead of being like right here, one might be over here. It might be like this, and full width. So what I came up with was kind of like a mix between the old, pretending this is like the vacuum motor, and it just has one thing, and I had to kind of like tweak these things to get them to where they would operate like full stroke. But let's see if I can pull this off here. So if you can see now, out, that's how I wanted it to be doing. And I didn't know I could just use one, but I kind of figured that out. But watch, it stops at the same time, same place there. I'll do this and not pull wires loose from it like I just did. Dang it. All right, come here, you. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Anyway. Yeah, they clock at the same and stop every time now where I want them to. So, just passing this along to if anybody's, fooling with these things. I kind of like did the trial and error. And, okay. Oh, switch. Yeah, alligator clip was on there. All right. The big thing I had trouble with was finding the right length out from your pivot point. Because the original vacuum wiper motor, it pivoted a lot more. I think they say these supposedly are 110 degrees swing, and the vacuum motor was even more, and it had get it here. It's like a lot shorter stroke. They would connect to actually here and here, but the when I come to find out with the shorter stroke, which I have, I had to move them out. So it was just kind of like I had to like drill holes and just kind of guess at it till I got it close. But I'm right there now, so I think what I'll do probably is measure everything right where it's working at, and then take everything apart, and then start basically like mount these inside underneath the dash. That's hard to fool with underneath there. and this and the motor and everything. I already got the wires to it, and yeah, just do that to it. So that's what I got for today. Hope it helps somebody.